Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to a new video. What's that on my eye? Something there. This is Mecca. So today's video I am sharing about my return to work and what I am doing. So the little prep, so like meal prep and things. I'll just show you the things I bought. And yeah, my work is a 12-hour shift, so essentially all my meals of the day are eaten at work. And because it's a busy shift, I need to ensure that I'm well nourished throughout my shift. So, and also to prevent the temptation to snack on the wrong things. That's the most important part. So yeah, this is the things I have bought, considering I haven't worked for over 5 years like a conventional job. Yeah, I have to like maybe over prep. So let's look at the things together. So I got one of these Hydro Steel travel mugs, this Stanley mug craze. I never got into it, to be honest, but I decided to get one because I feel I need it for my smoothies. I have a glass jug I normally use at home, but this is more durable and this will keep it cool for hours and hours, and hopefully, you know, be more protective so it won't sort of spill, because the glass can smash and that's dangerous to take into the hospital ward. I also got food containers, and it was nice that, oh guys, excuse me, this one's actually match my mug, so this nice matching color. These are 3 food storage jars. They're about, I believe they're about 400 mils each. Oh, 638, so they are decent, they're big. I actually have some food storage containers. I have the stainless steel ones I use for my salad, but these ones, obviously, if I need to heat the food up, I don't have a microwave, but at work I probably have to use a microwave to heat it up, because that's all they have at work. So I'm gonna have 1 hot meal. My smoothie is 1 meal, and the salad is more like a snack because it will just be salad, nothing in there. But the salad is more just vegetables. There's nothing. I don't have any plants, any animal protein. If I do have plants in it, I'll just put a picture of what that would look like. But this one I'm just going to be making like hot meal. So today I'll be making some plantains, green plantains with some mushroom sauce for that. And I got these little cute glass containers for my tiger nuts to snack on, so sort of like a healthy snack container. What else do I have? Obviously my smoothie will be the main nourishment, and I got some tamarind. Now tamarinds are high vitamin C, high antioxidants, so I get them once in a while. Yeah, just prepping for work, and I would let you guys know how it's been. Probably put a few clips of the meals I have made, and yeah, if I get into work tomorrow and there's time, I'll share with you what I'm eating, when I'm eating. If not, if I'm unable to, I'll just put clips, okay? Because I don't know what the environment will be like, guys. I don't know this place. I'm working as a sort of like ad hoc, so it's not my ward or anything. I don't know the people there. So yeah, fingers crossed for me. I'll have a great time, and I'll come back and let you guys know how it goes. Let's make a meal for my work packed lunch. So meal prepping, we have mushrooms, onions, some beans and peppers, and these are scent leaves or African basil, okay? And we are using palm oil. It's all plant-based, and we have also tiger nut milk. So let's do this together, making it as tasty, delicious and filling as possible. Okay, we have plantains cooked with the skin. These are like bananas. These are the ripe ones, and I'm just gonna have 3 bits per portion. Okie dokie, guys, this is what the tiger nut milk looks like. I always make tiger nut milk and store them in the freezer. And the bottom, this is resistant starch. This is so good for your gut health. It gives it the plant-based creaminess and also taste that you want, because it's got dates in it as well. I have already soaked the tiger nuts that I will be having as snacks, so that is going to be ready for tomorrow. And guys, listen, this sauce, I will make a recipe video. Today I just made the sauce. It tastes good, and yeah, I'll show you the finished work. This is what I am taking to lunch at work. First time going back to work after 5 years of not working. So I am prepping to make sure I don't get hungry and eat the wrong things. And this is egusi soup with some plantain swallow. Guys, after a long day, oops, I have a magnesium foot soak. All right. Ooh, it's hot though. So whilst having my foot soak, I'm just getting ready to go to bed. I've prepped everything I need for tomorrow, and I can't wait. It's been a long time, and I am excited. It's been 5 years and 3 months since I last walked into a hospital as a staff. I am so grateful that I can go back to work, and yeah, I can't wait to see what this next chapter will be. If you're enjoying this video, give us a thumbs up, and also leave your comments and your words of encouragement. Obviously, you see this video after I've been to work for a few weeks, hopefully so, but just let me know how, what you think, and also if you're in this sort of situation, how did you navigate it as well? Okay, night, see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So it's the morning of the first day, and I have my beetroot and apple for juice, and this is my tea. I have my dandelion leaves that are dehydrated and some nettle powder, and I will add fire cider. Ooh, steamy. Guys, this is my breakfast. I have my smoothie ready, and the juice, we've taken some to make the smoothie, and I'm gonna pour the rest into a bottle for another day. It doesn't look very nice, but it's the stalks and the beetroot. And time to go. I couldn't show you recording because we're in a rush and we have to leave now for work. Okay, this is the lunch bag: salad, hot meal, cookie, and tiger nuts. And I also have my tamarind for later, and smoothie. I think I'm good. What do you think? More than enough, yeah, for a long day. Let's go. So guys, I am at work now. This is the hospital. I would go in and probably just let you guys know how it went, or on my break I can vlog if I come out or something, because you have to maintain confidentiality whilst in the hospital, so I shouldn't be recording things in there without permission. Anyway, all the best to me. Yeah, I've got butterflies in my tummy, but I'm sure I'll remember my skills. It will take time for everything to be fine-tuned like it used to be, but I'm grateful I can go back. Like guys, after chronic disease, rather than deteriorating, I got better, and this is why I'm sharing this, because you can get better too, and you can do whatever you want. It doesn't have to be nursing, it can be anything. You can do anything, and that's why I'm sharing this. Okay, anyway, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and keep watching. I'll go in now. Okay guys, you won't believe what happened. So I have been sent home. I haven't worked yet. I did help a patient though, but yeah, not work yet.
2,000 years later.
Good morning folks, how are you? So it is about 3 days later. I just wanted to give a better insight as to what happened, why I was sent home. I don't think I gave that insight. Essentially, there's a computerized system you use to document patients, anything relating what you're doing, like your patient care. And you have to do training obviously before you get in, but I done the training. Everything was checked before I started. However, as technical things go, when I got into work, I even went in early. I went in about half an hour early to ensure everything was working, and I couldn't access the system. So I had to wait till working hours, try to contact them, nothing. They said, oh, we don't know what's happened. And it went back and forth till probably about 3 hours into the day, and I had to go home because I couldn't document anything, as in I delivered any care. So I wasn't allowed to work. That's why. I went back later that day, the system still didn't let me in. And the next day, I had to go back twice, but now it's working. I've gone and verified everything's fine. So I am going to work today again. So it's just about 10 minutes to 6. My shift is for 7:45. I've done my prayers. I've got to go downstairs, make my smoothie, and yeah, just pack my lunch bag. And the children we have one bathroom in my house, so children are using it now. Hopefully I'll be done in half an hour or so, and yeah, we'll all go. So let's go down and see the smoothies and the things I'm gonna make. Essentially same thing as last time really. I've got food in the freezer, so I'm just gonna take a packed lunch. I've already prepped in the freezer. That's why it's good to just prep when you make a big meal, and then so that I don't end up eating the wrong things. And then I've got my salad still. I've still got some salad in the fridge, I think the last bowl. And yeah, Okay, so hopefully you'll see me when I'm ready for work. All right, folks, I'm ready. I'm dressed and I'm ready for the day. Fingers crossed, everything will be fine, and I'll update you hopefully midway or at the end of the shift. This is me going into work. Guys, it's been crazy, really busy. Yeah, I've just had my breakfast and it's 3 o'clock. I feel like crying. Anyway, I got to go back to work. Bye. Guys, I'm on my way home and I don't know the word. I'm flabbergasted. It's been a crazy day. I can't believe how nursing can be terrible. I had one break. I don't think it's safe working this way. Unable to deliver. I don't know the words to use. Anyway, this is me going home after spending 14 hours and having half an hour break. Yeah. I'll update you tomorrow. I'm not in the state of mind to talk today.